Molten sodium, liquid salt, high-temperature helium, flowing plasma, the environments that advanced carbon-free electricity generation require are varied and challenging.
Enabling them are the parts often take for granted, like pumps, valves, and pipes. Creating these ever more complex parts for increasingly difficult environments presents a challenge, which is why EPRI is looking to advanced manufacturing and materials development as the future of the industry. The Advanced Manufacturing Methods and Materials Initiative, or AM3, is EPRI's way of backing this suite of technologies. Materials that can resist these environments sometimes don't exist, and if they do, they need to be qualified for use. Qualified materials then need to be fabricated into the right components. Take this molten salt valve, for instance. It could be designed and qualified for use in an advanced fission plant, but similar technology could be applied directly to other systems, like concentrated solar power plants, or even fusion. Creating these components in small batches might be possible, but what happens when orders start coming in the tens of thousands? The industry needs answers to these questions before order books start to fill up.
To meet this unprecedented growth, we need industry collaboration to accelerate the deployment of these technologies so we can develop a supply chain for advanced energy systems. EPRI is addressing these challenges in its AM3 initiative.